Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak and Listen English, where every conversation helps you grow. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Jack.
How are you feeling today, Jack?
I'm tired today, Emma, but I'm happy.
Tired and happy? That's an interesting combination.
Yes, yesterday was a very long day. Many things to do, many tasks. But I finished everything. All done.
Wow, you finished everything even when you were tired?
Yes. And when I finished, I felt wonderful. Very proud.
Proud. That's a strong feeling, like a champion.
Exactly. Like a champion. But I also know the other feeling.
What other feeling?
The feeling when you're tired and you stop, but the work isn't finished.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling very well. How does it feel?
Not good. A little heavy, like something is following me.
Yes, something unfinished always follows you, and that's our topic today.
Oh, the unfinished feeling?
The idea behind it. Our topic today is this: don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Yes, say it again with me.
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Good. I love this idea. It changed how I work, how I study, how I live.
That sounds powerful. I want to learn more.
And we will. Today we talk about tired, done, and how to keep going. But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to Speak and Listen English.
And share this episode with a friend, especially a friend who needs a little motivation today.
Thank you so much. We love our listeners. Okay, let's start. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
First, two important words, tired and done.
Okay, tired. I definitely know tired. Tell me, what is tired?
Tired is my eyes are heavy, my body is slow. I want my sofa, I want my blanket. I want to close everything and sleep.
That's a perfect description. No energy, sleepy, your body wants to rest.
That's me every day at 3 in the afternoon.
And done? What is done?
Done is finished, complete. The work is finished. 0 things left.
Yes, done means the task is complete, nothing left to do. Like after washing all the dishes. Done. After finishing a chapter. Done. After your 30-minute walk. Done.
Done feels good.
It does. Done feels very good. Now here's the key idea. Tired and done are different things.
Different?
Yes, you can be tired but not done. Your body wants to stop, but the work isn't finished.
So I am tired, but I am not done.
Exactly. And that's the important moment. The moment when you want to stop, but you should continue.
But Emma, I'm tired. My body says stop. Why should I continue?
Because of how you feel after.
After?
Think about it. If you stop when you're tired but not done, how do you feel?
I feel okay at first. The sofa is nice, but then a little bad, a little guilty.
Guilty, that's the word. You feel, I should have finished. I didn't do it.
Yes, tired and guilty. That's not a good combination.
No, but if you continue even when tired and you finish the task?
I feel tired and done, and maybe happy.
Yes, tired and happy, tired and proud.
Proud, that word again.
Proud means I did it. I am strong. I finished like a champion.
Tired and proud, like a champion.
That's the goal, tired and proud. Now let's look at real life. 3 examples.
Example 1, English learning.
Oh, this is very relevant for me.
You're studying English. You have a lesson, maybe a book, a podcast, a worksheet. You start. Page 1, okay. Page 2, okay. Page 3.
My eyes are closing. I want to stop. You want to close the book.
Very much. And my sofa is calling. Emma, come here. Sit down. Be comfortable.
The sofa always calls at the wrong moment.
Always. And the TV is calling. Emma, 1 episode. Just 1 small episode.
So what do you do?
I close the book. I watch TV. I think I'll study tomorrow.
Tomorrow. That's a dangerous word.
Dangerous?
Tomorrow is dangerous because tomorrow you have a new day, new energy, but did you finish today's lesson?
No, the lesson is still there on the table waiting for me.
And how do you feel in the morning?
A little bad. The lesson is waiting. It's like a heavy backpack I didn't put down.
Yes, unfinished work follows you. It's in your head.
It is. Even when I sleep, I think I didn't finish.
So, here's what to do. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
But the lesson is sometimes very long. I can't always finish everything.
You're right. So we make the goals smaller. We'll talk about this later. But first, example 2, exercise.
You want to walk for 30 minutes. You put on your shoes, you go outside. 5 minutes, easy. 10 minutes, good. 15 minutes,
My legs are tired. I'm a little hot, and I see a bench, a beautiful bench, under a tree in the shade.
the bench.
Yes, a perfect bench. And the bench is calling my name. Jack, sit. You work so hard. You deserve this.
And you sit.
Yes, I sit. 15 minutes, not 30.
The goal was 30. You're tired, but not done. And you feel
How?
a little disappointed in myself. Not a good feeling.
But what if you say 10 more minutes? Just 10 more, even slowly.
10 more? That's possible.
You walk slowly, 20 minutes, 25, 30. Done.
Done. And now the bench.
Now I can sit on the bench, and it feels
How does it feel now?
amazing. The best bench in the world, the best tree, the best shade.
Because you earned it.
Earned? What does earned mean?
Earned means you worked for it. You deserve it. It's your reward because you finished.
Earned. So if I sit on the bench before 30 minutes, I didn't earn it.
Exactly. The rest is a prize after the work, not before.
Tired and done. The bench is my prize.
And example 3, the kitchen.
Oh no, the kitchen.
After dinner, you ate a good meal. You're full, happy, and very, very tired.
I know this feeling. I know it well.
You look at the kitchen, plates, glasses, pots. Everything needs washing.
So many things.
And your sofa is calling again.
The sofa never stops calling. Jack, TV, relax. The dishes will wait. Dishes are patient.
Patient dishes, very patient. They'll be there tomorrow.
And you think, maybe tomorrow.
Every single night.
So in the morning, you wake up, new energy, you walk to the kitchen, and
The dishes are still there. All of them. Waiting. Not so patient now.
and how does that feel, starting a new day with dirty dishes?
Bad. A bad start. I feel heavy before the day even begins.
Yes, dirty kitchen equals heavy morning.
But if you wash the dishes at night, even when tired, maybe 20 minutes, and then you go to the sofa,
The sofa feels 10 times better because I finished.
and the morning,
Clean kitchen, light feeling, happy start.
Exactly. Work first, prize after. The sofa is better when you earned it.
I think I need to change my evening habits.
One dish at a time.
One dish at a time. I can do that.
So, 3 examples. English study, exercise, kitchen. And in all 3, the same idea.
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
You remembered. I'm practicing, Emma.
Good. But Jack, let me ask you. Knowing this idea is easy. Doing it is hard.
Very hard. The sofa is very comfortable, and the TV is very entertaining.
So why is it so hard? Why does our brain always want to stop?
Because tired feels real right now, and done feels far away.
Exactly. The tired feeling is immediate. The done feeling is in the future. And our brain always chooses now.
Our brain isn't very patient.
No, our brain likes comfort. It says, stop, rest, be comfortable.
But comfortable now isn't always happy later.
That's very well said, Jack.
Comfortable now sometimes means sad or guilty later. Work now means proud and happy later.
So I need to teach my brain to think about later.
Yes. Think about how you'll feel when it's done, not how you feel right now.
Think about the done feeling, not the tired feeling.
Exactly. The done feeling is your motivation.
Motivation? That means the reason to keep going.
Yes, your motivation is the done feeling, the proud feeling, the tired and happy feeling.
I want that feeling. So what's the secret? How do I actually do it? Please tell me. I need this.
I have 3 secrets.
3 secrets? I love secrets.
Secret number 1, remember your why.
My why?
Yes, why did you start? For English, why are you learning?
Because I want to travel. I want to talk to people from many countries. I want to feel free when I speak.
Good. So when you're tired and you want to stop, think about that. Think about travel. Think about freedom. Think about your why.
My why is bigger than my tired.
Exactly. The why gives you energy when the body has none.
Remember your why. Secret 1. I like it.
Secret number 2, make the goal very, very small.
Small? Like 10 minutes of study?
Yes. Not the whole lesson, not the whole chapter, just 10 minutes, just 3 sentences, just one small task.
Small goals feel possible. Big goals feel impossible when I'm tired.
Exactly. And when you finish one small goal, maybe you have a little energy for one more.
5 more minutes, then 5 more, then I'm done.
Small steps make a big journey, one step at a time.
That's beautiful and true. And secret number 3, the prize.
The prize.
Choose the prize before you start. Decide what you get when you finish.
When I finish this lesson, I'll have a cup of coffee. When I finish my walk, I'll sit on my bench.
When I wash the dishes, I watch 1 episode.
Yes, the episode is the prize, but work first, prize after, not episode first, then dishes.
No, never episode first.
I do that sometimes. Episode first, then I fall asleep, and the dishes are still there.
The prize comes after the work. Always. That's the rule.
Work now, prize after. I'll write this on my wall.
Write it everywhere. And I want to say something to everyone listening.
Learning English is exactly this.
Yes, it's not easy. Some days are hard. Some days you feel, my English isn't improving. I'm too slow. I'm too tired. I want to give up.
I feel this sometimes.
Everyone feels this. Every English learner. But don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Finish today's practice. Even 10 minutes. Even 3 new words. Even 1 episode of this podcast.
And then rest.
And then rest. You earned it.
And tomorrow, a little more.
Every day a little better. Every day a little stronger.
That's what progress looks like.
Progress isn't always fast, but it's always moving forward. 1 small step every day.
I can do 1 small step.
Yes, you can. And everyone listening, you can too.
You're stronger than you think.
Yes, keep going.
Keep going.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, review time.
Today, we talked about one big idea. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Tired means no energy. Your body wants to rest. Done means finished. The task is complete.
And when you stop before you're done, you feel...
Guilty, heavy, unfinished.
And when you finish, you feel...
Proud, happy, like a champion.
Perfect. And we have 3 secrets.
Secret 1, remember your why.
Secret 2, make the goal very, very small.
Secret 3, the prize. Work first, prize after.
And 3 examples, English study, exercise, and the kitchen.
You remembered everything, Emma.
I feel motivated. I feel like I can do it.
You can. Don't stop, Emma.
I won't. I promise. Tonight, dishes first, sofa after.
That's the spirit. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Speak and Listen English.
Yes, thank you, everyone. This was a very meaningful topic for me.
Please subscribe to Speak and Listen English and give this episode a like. It helps us reach more learners.
And share it with a friend who needs some motivation today.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is one small goal you will finish today? Write it in English in the comments.
We'd love to read your answers, and we believe in you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.
Bye-bye.